Namaskar. I, JBN Rekha Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department Vision and Interior from Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. खुश रहो बिटियाओं. Today's our session name is Portfolio for Fashion Design Students. So, today we will learn or discuss what is the steps to make a portfolio for a designing student or for a apply a fashion job for fashion designers. So every aspiring fashion designer will have to make a design portfolio at some point. But with so many pieces and so few guidelines, where do you even begin? We all confused. How? Where do you even begin this portfolio? What is the steps? Where we have to start? It can be hard to get started, but once you know what admission committees and hiring managers are looking for and how you want to organize your work, when you know about the steps to make a portfolio, you will be much better equipped to create your amazing amazing design portfolio. First, check for instructions or guidance on what to include in your portfolio. If you are applying to a design portfolio, as we discussed in our previous session, there are two types of portfolio. First is for design students who are applied in higher education in fashion, and second is for fashion designers. So if you're applying for a design program, higher education designer program, they should give a good idea of what they want to see in your portfolio. If you are designing a professional portfolio, you may not expect direct directions. So generally, you should include creative investigation, creative projects, drawings, sketches, collections that show your ability to translate 3D into 2D, color studies, and if relevant, photos of 3D work that you have done during your entire fashion design course. To tailor your portfolio to the specific application or the type of work that you want to do. You may want to put together more than one portfolio if you are applying for different positions. If you are applying for different positions, so you can make different portfolio, or you can put together your work in a portfolio, but very smartly. So first, you have to decide what is the highlights of your portfolio. What is the figure drawings? What is the highlight? Is the if your highlight of your portfolio is tribal art or folk art, and what is the fashion story of your portfolio? What is the paperwork? Collect all these things, and what is if you have a theme to make your portfolio, then start with your theme based portfolio. Collect your theme, your descriptions, your style boards, the swatches which you want to use in your collections, and after uh, explain after create the all things, collect the all things, write an explanation to show how you want to organize your work. As with any project, it is easy to become so enthusiastic about an idea that you don't really plan out how you are going to execute it. If you have a better plan how going to execute it, you will do better performance. Before you know it, you are overwhelmed by everything if you didn't plan for it. So the point of this step is to make sure that you have maximized the presentation of your work and that all the parts will be as clear to an outsider as they are to you. Don't just think about what your storyline is, how each part fits into the story. Play how your work will be received. You may create a diagram or an outline to illustrate why you organized your pieces in certain way. Show or explain your idea to someone who has worked with you throughout your creative development. So, ideally, that person should be your mentor, such as your teacher or someone who is very close to you, your seniors who has some experience with building portfolios and can provide feedback on how effective your ideas will be. So, first collect your ideas, your themes, your collections, your whole work which you had done in your fashion design course during your fashion design course, and this is the first step to make the portfolio in fashion design. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you. Khush raho.